Setting up QuickBooks payments allows you to accept credit and debit card payments, enhancing your business's payment processing. Here's how to set it up. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Access QuickBooks Payments. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Under your company, select Account and Settings. Navigate to Payments. In the Account and Settings window, click on the Payments tab. Sign up for QuickBooks Payments. Click Learn More or Get Set Up to start the sign-up process. You may be prompted to provide business information, including your business name, type, and financial details. Complete the application. Fill out the application, including your bank account information where you want payments deposited. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Confirm and activate. After submitting the application, wait for approval from QuickBooks Payments. Once approved, you can start accepting payments through invoices, sales receipts, or directly via your website.